to my channel. It's your girl Reika Yanique for those who are new. And before we get into it, yes, let's just address the elephant in the room. I know I've been MIA on this channel for a hot minute, but your girl has been like super busy with work, with life. Really, it's just been so hectic, and I've felt really bad about neglecting my YouTube channel. I was very determined today to make some time to film a video, get it up here for you guys, because I know it's been so long, and I definitely miss creating videos as well. So I'm happy to be back, and hopefully I won't go away for too long this time around. So today I'm back with another new in first impressions style video. I love filming these, and you guys seem to like them as well, so I figured I would show you a few new bits that I was able to grab for myself. And so here's the thing, and you guys can let me know if you do this as well, but what I like to do, I like to create a working list of things that I like, whether I see it online or in a magazine. If it's something that I really like but I'm not necessarily in a hurry to buy it right away, I add it to a working list, wish list, whatever we want to call it. And if I have, you know, goals or things that I have to, you know, clear for like a week or for a month, and I'm able to clear those things, I like to reward myself by getting 1 or 2 items from my wish list. So the past couple of weeks have been pretty crazy, but I was able to get a lot of things done. A lot of things that were on my to-do list I was able to tick off, so I figured I would treat myself to a few bits from my wish list. Didn't go too crazy, just got two things that I've been eyeing for a while, and I think they're gonna come in really handy. The weather is starting to get nice. I'm going on a holiday really soon. You heard it here first. The girl is going on a beach somewhere, and I'm really excited for that. So I thought these things would be really appropriate for all the activities that I have planned over the next few weeks. But before we get into it, you know the drill. Give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you're new. Follow me on my socials. I'll have them floating throughout this video, and once you've done all of that, we can go ahead and jump right on into it. First thing I wanted to show you guys is this bag that I picked up from the site called Essence, and it's kind of like a Farfetch if you guys are not familiar. They carry a lot of designers that you probably wouldn't be able to find in your local area. One of the designers that they carry on their site is one of my favorites. You guys know how I feel about the brand Jacquemus. I love this brand. I've never owned anything from them up until this point, but I've been following, you know, their journey for such a long time, and I am in love with every single collection that they put out. So I knew I wanted to get something, and I've just been eyeing this bag. I think it's like 2 seasons old, and I've been debating this purchase for such a long time. And if something is on your mind for like, if you can't stop thinking about something, I think that's your sign to get it, and that's how I felt about this bag. It is their it's their Le Panier Soleil basket bag. I love a basket bag. Something about them, they're such a classic style that I think you can wear for like many years to come. So I feel if you have like that one good one, you can have it and wear it for many years. I got it in the khaki, they call it khaki, but it's like a olive green kind of color to me. But I love that it has you know, the short strap and the long strap. Not that I would particularly wear it with the long strap, but it adds, you know, a bit of interest and dimension to a usual or very basic bag. Such a staple in the spring summer, so I know I'll get like so much wear out of this. I already have a few ideas, you know, in my head of how I would style it up, but this is the first bit that I got from my wish list. And yeah, this is her. Let me know what you think. Next thing I got from my wish list, and like I mentioned, I'm in a spring summer beach holiday frame of mind. Frame of mine. Your girl got herself some shades. These are by DEZI. I don't know if you guys are familiar with DEZI Perkins. She's a big YouTuber, and she launched her sunglasses line. Her very own sunglasses line came out last year, and these sold out so fast. Literally, I blinked and everything was sold out, but things have since restocked on her website, so I was able to grab a few shades. I picked up 2, and the first one that I have here is this one, and it's called Read the Room. And like everybody has to wear it, they kind of have it like down here, but yeah, this is Read the Room. I really love the detailing along here, and I just feel like that girl. You know what I mean? Usually I'm a 10 to 15 bucks type of girl for sunglasses, so these were a bit of a splurge for me, but they feel really substantial, have a lot of weight, so you can definitely, I can definitely say, you know, these are, you know, pretty quality frames. And there's just so much attention to detail on here. I like that they have the name of the glasses on the name of the glasses. It's in here, Read the Room, and then like everywhere you look, you just see the DEZI. You have DEZI like every and any nook and cranny you search on this thing, branded. Yeah, so this is Read the Room, and yeah, I'm excited to wear these. The next one I got, I was most excited for this one, and this one is the 2000s. This was the style that grabbed me, the 2000s. Initially wanted the black one with the gold accessory on it, but I felt like it wasn't giving me spring summer. I felt like this colorway was more spring summer. Eventually I might go back for the black, the full black with the gold details, but this one giving me all the feels. Like, you guys, get into this one. Such, like, they named this one appropriate. No, I feel like that girl in this one. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think it's a nice, I think it's a decent size. It's not like overpowering my face, and I have like a rounder face, so not every sunglass style really suits me, but I think these two that I picked out work really well, and I just love the colorway on it. So nice. Can't wait to wear these. Let me know what you think. Yeah, and again, the detailing on these, she has the name of the sun, name of the frame is written up here, and then branding just like everywhere you can look, even on the, you know, the thing that rests on your nose. The DEZI is embossed in there, so just like so much attention to detail. And this, you know, this feels substantial. Like, I'll definitely have this for a while, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's basically everything that I have to show you here, guys. Not much, but 2 things I've definitely been eyeing for a hot minute, and glad I was able to get. Let me tell you, because you see the bag that I showed you earlier, I think it's sold out now. I think it's sold out. They were going like so fast, and I did not want to miss out this time around. So I'm very happy I was able to get the bag, and equally excited that I was able to grab me some DEZIs. Let me know, out of everything that I showed you today, which one was your favorite. If it's your first time here and you made it to the end, hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. I would definitely appreciate it. Follow me on all my socials as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, guys, bye.